This year, I'm the honorary chair of an event that's very close to my heart. Tomorrow is the annual Susan G. Komen North Texas Plano Race for the Cure. And joining us today is one of the race participants, Paula Gerba. Welcome so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Really glad that you are here. Now, you discovered a lump that was benign, and you're what's called a previvor. What actually is that?
A previvor is somebody that has a genetic disposition to have breast cancer.
Okay, and so when you found out that you had that genetic disposition, you went to lengths to make sure that you might not get breast cancer in the future, correct?
Exactly. I had to have a prophylactic double mastectomy and a hysterectomy to be able to save my life.
That's right. And you know, some people say that, well, that's a drastic measure to save your life, but a lot of people are affected by this, and you want to make sure that this didn't happen to you.
Yes, when you have a genetic mutation like the BRCA1, you have an 87% chance of having breast cancer and a 50% chance of having ovarian cancer. So it was very important for me to get this done. And you know, you don't want to get cancer.
No, yeah, you don't. You know, I was saying it's very close to my heart. My grandma Marie, who is now about to be a 26-year survivor, when I was 14, we found out that she had breast cancer, and it's such a hard thing to hear when you have somebody in your family or yourself. So glad you took those measures. Now you have kind of an interesting platform. You're a former Miss Peru, right?
Yes, I was Miss Peru in 1995, and now I'm Mrs. Peru, and I will be competing in Mrs. World this summer.
That's great. So you're going to use this platform to kind of talk about breast cancer awareness?
Of course, I'm going to talk about breast cancer awareness, and it is also very close to my heart. I have so many family members that were impacted by this disease.
What do you want to say to somebody that their family member or maybe themselves have just found out their diagnosis maybe today or the past couple of days? What do you want to say to them?
You know, nowadays, being diagnosed with breast cancer is not a death sentence, so I want to just tell them that you're not alone, and just to listen to your doctor, listen to your body, and for the women out there, just get your yearly mammograms. Okay,
and again, you are not alone. You're going to be participating along with myself in the Susan G. Komen North Texas Plano Race for the Cure this Saturday. Again, it is at the Plano campuses of HP and the campus at Legacy, starting right around 6 a.m. KomenNorthTexas.org for more information. Again, we'll be out there. My grandma Marie's going to be out there. So again, lace up your shoes, wear your pink, come on out and have fun. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.